Horses out. We've got Bini Ryan Bass begin moving up on the outside. Moriones running by the is Maligalig. Racing in third, Oxygen. Hidden Moment in fourth alongside Pip moving up. Handog. Then next on line is Bini Ryan Hansel alongside Fly Me to the Moon. Next in line, Newton's Goal. And nearing the fourth turn, Oxygen. And on the outside moving up now is Hidden Moment. Hidden Moment, Oxygen is running by the Maligalig. Handog is on the outside. That's 400 meters of the race. It's now Hidden Moment by Abadaleg. Maligalig in second. Handog is racing in third and followed by Oxygen in fourth. Next in line is Hansel as they come down at the last 50. Hidden Moment still in front. Maligalig. Handog is on the outside. Oxygen, but it's still Hidden Moment by about 3 lengths. Maligalig moving up. Hansel on the outside and down to the finish. And it's still Hidden Moment. And finally, Hidden Moment second. Maligalig, Hansel. Then comes Handog.